Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a guest account on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Start menu and then select Settings. Select Accounts on the left side. And now on the right side, you want to select Family and Other Users. So go ahead and left click on that. Versus Other Users, add another user, go ahead and select Add Account. At this point, if you want to enter in a Microsoft account or if they want to create a user account, they can. However, I would normally recommend creating a local account for a guest user, just as I use a local account for my main computers anyway. So I'm going to select I don't have this person's sign-in information, because we're going to be creating a local account here, and we're going to select add a user without a Microsoft account. We're just going to create an account on this computer. We'll call it whatever, doesn't really matter. I'm just going to call it whatever, and if you want to enter in a password, you can. Select next, and then we have another user we've just created. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.